GageMakkal allows you to create and manage the clusters to group multiple instruments or gauges together based on their location, ownership, or availability. Clusters can be of three types: always available cluster, non-recursive cluster, and recursive cluster. A recursive cluster is a group of instruments in a cluster that are available for repetitive recurring intervals. You can define the start and end times, the recurring period, and the number of occurrences. To add a recursive cluster, you go to the master, open your cluster, and click the top right plus sign to create a new cluster and name it maintenance cluster, and change this toggle to defined availability. And now check the recursive to input the fields that are for recursive. Here you can specify the start date. For example, you can say tomorrow from 8 a.m. to the end date and time, tomorrow up till 4 p.m. And then you can say the next recurring period from the start date. So from the start date, maybe every 3 weeks, we can say 21 days. And this recursive can, let's say, 10 days. As soon as you enter here, you're going to get all the list of 10 different repetitive days from tomorrow and next month, following month, so on and so forth. Save this to get the maintenance cluster with all the possible dates that's assigned.